Making an offer on a home in New Hampshire involves a detailed, legally binding purchase and sales agreement prepared by your real estate agent or attorney. In New Hampshire, a verbal agreement is not legally binding. The contract must be in writing and signed by all parties. The key components of a New Hampshire purchase offer are the following. Number 1, financing qualifications. You must include this with your offer. Either a pre-approval letter from a lender, as it demonstrates to the seller that you are financially qualified to purchase a home, or proof of funds if you are paying cash. When you finance your mortgage, your offer comes with a financing contingency clause, which protects you if your mortgage is not ultimately approved. This allows you to walk away from the deal and get your earnest money deposit back if financing falls through. This brings me to number 2, earnest money deposit. This may also be referred to as a good faith deposit. This is the sum of money you offer to show the seller that you are serious about buying the home. The amount of this deposit typically is 1 to 3% of the home's purchase price, though offering more can signal stronger intent in a competitive market. I've had clients offer 10 to 20%. The escrow money is held in an escrow account, usually by the listing brokerage, and it is important to note that it does not go to the seller. It is applied towards your down payment or closing costs. Number 3, the purchase and sales agreement itself. This is the formal, legally binding contract that outlines all the terms of your offer. It must include the following. The offer price. This is the amount that you are proposing to pay for the property, which your agent will help you determine by reviewing comparable sales. A closing date. This is the targeted date for the transfer of the deed, the signing of the notes, and disbursement of the funds. The expiration date. A specific date and time for when your offer expires. In a competitive market, this might be a matter of hours. The fixtures and personal property, a list of items that are included in the sale, such as appliances or window treatments or even a boat dock. It'll also include the broker fees, clarification on who will pay the commissions for the real estate agents. It will include contingencies. These are the clauses that must be met for the transaction to move forward. Including them can protect you, but you can also make your offer less competitive by having them in there. Common contingencies such as the home inspection. This allows you to have a professional inspection performed within a set time frame, and based on the results, you may be able to negotiate repairs or lower the price or simply walk away from the sale. The other contingency is the financing contingency we talked about earlier, the appraisal that comes into play. This ensures the property appraises for at least the purchase price. If it doesn't, your lender may not approve the loan. It also includes the sale of a home as a contingency in some cases, if you must sell something that you live in currently to finance the new purchase. And this allows you to exit the deal if your house doesn't sell. Number 5, required disclosures. Sellers in New Hampshire are legally required to provide specific disclosures that must be included in your offer package, signed and reviewed. These include the seller property disclosure statement. This outlines known issues with the property and other things about the property only the seller would know. Lead paint disclosure. This is a required form for homes built before 1978. The agency disclosure, which is something between you, the buyer, and your agent to explain the nature of your relationship. And that's it. Once the purchase and sales and all associated disclosures have been signed, the offer is submitted along with a pre-approval of proof of funds. And then, fingers crossed, hopefully your offer is accepted. Now that, at a high level, is what is required to submit an offer in New Hampshire. So if you see anything while you're out and about this weekend looking at houses, give me a call and we can work on an offer together.